how to change voicemail notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then open up the phone app. In here, tap on the More button, then tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Voicemail and then tap on Notifications. From here, we tap on Sound. Then in the list of available sounds, select a sound that you would like to use. Okay, so select a sound. And then tap on the back key. Now when you receive notification from voicemail, you will hear that sound. And finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.